1955 Bentley S1 right-hand drive. Price, $24,750. Location, Houston. The 1955 Bentley S1 you are looking at is not just another classic luxury car. This is a rolling piece of British automotive royalty, finished in stunning Old English, white and transformed to visually resemble the legendary Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud Eye. This masterpiece captures the elegance of a forgotten golden era. From the massive chrome grille to the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy standing proudly at the front, every inch of this car screams prestige, class, and timeless sophistication. The moment this Bentley appears on the road, people stop and stare. The gigantic chrome bumpers, wide whitewall tires, polished steel wheels, and endless body lines create an unforgettable presence that modern luxury cars simply cannot replicate. This was the era when automobiles were built like artwork, crafted with patience and pride instead of computers and mass production. Even standing still, this Bentley looks like it belongs in a Hollywood movie or parked outside a royal palace in London. The heart of this luxury cruiser is an inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering the smooth and graceful driving experience Bentley was famous for during the 1950s. Thanks to the twin SU carburetors, the engine provides refined power with a silky character that perfectly matches the car's elegant personality. The right-hand drive setup adds even more exclusivity, making every drive feel authentically British and incredibly special for collectors around the world. The interior is where this Bentley becomes absolutely magical. Rich wood trim surrounds the cabin with handcrafted detail that feels more like luxury furniture than automotive design. The folding rear picnic tables instantly transport passengers back to an era when wealthy families traveled in complete comfort and style. The analog clock, classic Smith's gauges, chrome accents, spacious rear seating, and vintage steering will create an atmosphere that modern luxury vehicles still struggle to imitate decades later. The most fascinating part of this car is the story behind it. The Bentley S1 and Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud were nearly identical mechanically from the factory, sharing the same platform and engineering. That made this incredible transformation possible while still preserving the true Bentley soul underneath. What you get is the perfect combination of Bentley performance and Rolls-Royce inspired visual elegance, creating one of the most unique luxury sedans from the post-war era. The value offered by this classic is honestly unbelievable. For only $24,750, you are getting handcrafted British luxury, vintage celebrity-level presence, and collector appeal all in one package.